Hello there, and thank you so much for joining us today at the Natural Lifestyle Show. My name is Angel.
And I'm Billy.
Sky Guy.
Sky Guy.
And today we're going to tell you how to make our favorite watermelon juice recipe. This is super easy to make, and with watermelons in season right now, you can make it every day. What you do is you cut up a watermelon, and I just fill up the blender with the watermelon pieces. I put in probably about 1 inch of ginger cut into very small pieces. Because if you cut it in small pieces, you won't have any stringiness in the juice. And then for me and Billy's, if we have like 2 servings like this, I put the juice of 2 limes. And it is very, very good. It's very anti-inflammatory with the ginger. If you get a really good watermelon, it's sweet. You put it in the fridge or the freezer for a little while and it's super refreshing. It's truly one of my favorite summer juices.
And we can get 4 of them.
So give it a try.
Out of 1 watermelon.
Yeah, out of 1 watermelon you get 4 full juices. That's great.
It's really good.
Yes. So
And a money saver.
yeah. So thanks for joining us, and I want to remind you that we are still making a raw food course. It's going to be rawfoodcourse.com when it's ready. So if you're interested in learning more about that, just contact us or stay tuned. And we hope you have a great day. God bless you.
Take care.